Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by finding the control. Most cars use a stalk on the left of the steering wheel or a separate button near the headlight dial. Turn toward the control to feel the detents because tactile feedback confirms the setting. Once you can see the fog symbol on the dial or button, press or twist it to the off position. You should see the fog indicator go dark in the instrument cluster. If you don't, hold for 1 second and try again. Next, make sure the vehicle's lighting system will respond. Set headlights to the mode you normally drive in because some cars disable fogs when in certain modes. Once done, watch the instrument panel for the fog indicator to go out. This tells you the car registered the command. Then, step outside and visually inspect the front lower lamps. A quick walk around confirms the fogs are physically off and rules out a stuck relay or burnt bulb, which would keep them illuminated. To finish, power cycle the system by turning ignition off, waiting about 10 seconds, then restarting and switching the fog control off again. This resets electronics in many models. If the lamps remain on, pull the fog fuse or inspect the relay. A stuck relay can feed power continuously, so swapping the relay can quickly diagnose the issue. If you still see fogs illuminated, consult your owner's manual or
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.